I would like to show you how the print function works. So print, in effect, is the way that we get the program, the Python program, to actually show the information that we want to have displayed. So we're going to start off with the word print, and you'll see that this drop down area appears so that it can help you with the type of functions or the type of properties that you want to use. Okay, so we're going to say print. I'm going to use what are called parentheses, that's otherwise known as brackets, and we're going to start off with a number. Now, if you want to type a number into Python, you do not need to have speech marks. You can just type the number within the brackets and it will work. I'm going to click on save. I have already called this test1, so I don't need to name it. And then I'm going to ask for it to run the particular program for me. And what you should have coming up is the number 325, just like we have here. Okay, you'll see that it's in the debug area. That's absolutely fine. It will also show up in Python shell as well, but let's just stick to debug for now. All right, so we've done print and we've shown how we can represent a number. No need for speech marks at all. When it comes to words, these are called strings, and we need to have speech marks. And there's two different types that we can have. So we're going to start off with the word print, open up our parentheses, and we're going to put in our speech marks. So here I'm going to type in the traditional words that we use for Python when you're first using it, and that is hello world. And we're going to save that, and then we're going to ask the program to run it. And what you'll see down the bottom is that it shows hello world nice and clearly for us. You don't always have to use double speech marks. You can also use the single speech marks. So I'm going to say print. We're going to type in hello world, but we're going to use the single speech marks. So hello world. Whoops, we've got our bracket on there already. We're going to save and we're going to run. And you'll see that it pops up down the bottom again. All right. What we can also do with Python is if we want to do something, let's say for example we wanted to do a poem or we wanted to do sentences that are longer than just 2 words, for instance, we can use what we call triple speech marks. Okay, so let's show you how we use triple speech marks. We're going to open our brackets and we're going to put in triple speech marks. Okay, so that's speech marks 3 times. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to write in there twinkle, twinkle, little star. So twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder where you are. What you'll see is I'm actually pressing enter on my keyboard and going onto a new line each time. And this allows me to, when I present it on my final program, it will actually put it in the same format for me. So twinkle, twinkle, little star. Oh, look how I've spelt little. Shame on me. Let's just delete that. We'll change the spelling of that. How I wonder what you are. Okay, and then I can continue down here. Up, above, the world, so high, new line, like a diamond in the sky. Now, if I ask Python to run that for me, you will see that it comes up just in the same format that a poem would, so each section of the poem will be on a new line. So let's say run. Whoops, let's save it first. And run. And if we have a look down here, you will see that my poem has come up in exactly the same format that I typed it in. So that's when we use the triple speech marks. Okay, so you can see numbers don't need speech marks. You can use the double or the single speech marks. You would use a triple speech mark when you want to write something in that's a little more lengthy. Okay, so remember that, have a go at it, type in your favourite lyrics of your favourite song or a poem, and let's see how you do with that.